What you just heard is what many people know as Bach's first invention. Many people know this is Bach's first invention because of editors such as Ferruccio Busoni. Now, Ferruccio Busoni lived in a time period when photographs were not easily distributed, and they could have easily believed that this is the way Bach wanted his first invention played. But I can tell you that this is wrong. Bach's original handwriting shows that he went back after releasing it to the public and added in these triplets. Now, also notice this is Bach's original handwriting, that it is in a different clef or something, because it starts on E by the treble clef, but the clef symbol is not the same, so I do not know. I just transposed it down to C like Busoni's, because the bass clef is in C. Now listen to what Bach's original handwriting states. I went back and added it into the computer, reading Bach's original handwriting note by note. Two remarkably different pieces, wouldn't you say? Now this is no fault of Busoni's. Remember, he lived in a time period when Bach's handwriting wasn't easily seen. But I believe that this is what Bach really wanted the piece to sound like, and I could not find anything on YouTube that sounded remotely like this.